welcome again to another edition of Astronomy Spotlight. My name is Kirk Rosberg. I'm the Planetarium Coordinator at the Hastings Museum. And before we really get into the topic of today's show, I wanted to draw your attention to the evening sky map here on the screen. This is a free sky map from skymaps.com. We offer it just about every month for free if you come to the planetarium. It is outside there in the hallway. But if you can't get to the planetarium, download this. It's a two-sided map. Print it out and go outside and use it. It is one of the very best monthly maps that you can get. And you might want to use this map for at least to find our topic, the object that we are going to look for in the sky, because it is a galaxy and it is not the Milky Way. So we're actually going to be looking at two constellations, at least to show you where to find this particular galaxy. It is the constellation of Pegasus, at least the Great Square of Pegasus, as well as Andromeda, because we're going to be looking for the Andromeda Galaxy, M31, its catalog number. So let's look at our planetarium sky here. If you look east, northeast, as I turn the lines on here, we can see Pegasus and Andromeda. Pegasus, the bright section of Pegasus is really 4 stars, and it is called the Great Square of Pegasus. It really is the brightest 4 stars in the eastern part of the sky. So if you can find what looks like this square shape here, or diamond shape, you are in good luck and all set. You also should have a dark sky. The darker your sky, the better. So you'll want to do it when the moon is not visible in the sky. Let me show you the artwork for the two constellations here very quickly. It might help you in seeing these. Note that Pegasus, the flying horse, is upside down when it rises. And Andromeda is actually connected to Pegasus. The brightest star in Andromeda is also the northeasternmost star of the Great Square of Pegasus. Alpheratz is its name, and Alpheratz is the head of Andromeda, the chained princess. All right, and that's why she appears to be chained. I don't know if you can tell that on the screen, but she does have chains around her wrists. All right, so first, find Alpheratz. It is the brightest star in Andromeda, the corner of the Great Square. And what we're going to do is we are going to move 2 more stars. We're going to move to the second brightest star in Andromeda. So we're going to do that now. 1 star there, and then the second star right there. And from there, we are going to go up 2 stars. 1, 2, and the galaxy that we're looking for is actually just off that line. So you've got the lines there, and you can see M31 right there. Or you may not be able to see it. It's pretty faint. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put our label up here. We're going to target M31 there. And so there is the object right there. Now, M31, the Andromeda Galaxy, is the largest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way. They are kind of not satellite galaxies, but in a cluster of galaxies called the local group. And the Milky Way and Andromeda are the largest 2 galaxies in that local group of about a dozen members. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to zoom in so you can actually see the galaxy a little bit better. Now you are actually going to probably want a pair of binoculars, any pair of binoculars or a small telescope to really do it justice. But if you just want to see it with your own unaided eye, find a dark, moonless location, allow your eyes about 20 to 30 minutes to adjust to the darkness. And you might need to use your averted vision, your side vision, in order to see the Andromeda Galaxy at its best. So what we see there right above the letter S is the galaxy in question right there. It looks like a fuzzy little patch of light. That is the Andromeda Galaxy. That's kind of what it's going to look like from a very dark sky. And with a pair of binoculars, you will see its oval shape even better. All right, I'm going to zoom back out there. Okay. And by the way, while you are out, don't forget to check out the 2 planets that are currently visible in the south. And right now, and this is middle of the month, so this is I've set the sky for the 15th of September at 11 p.m. If you go out at midnight, the galaxy will be slightly higher in the sky, and so forth. But you can see on the 15th, the moon, which you don't really want to see if you're looking for the Andromeda Galaxy. Saturn is the next fairly bright dot right there. And then thirdly is going to be the brightest planet you can see at 11 o'clock, and that is the planet Jupiter, the king of the planets. So there you have it. That is this month's Astronomy Spotlight, spotlighting the Andromeda Galaxy M31. Thank you for joining me, and join us again next month for another edition of Astronomy Spotlight.